I am H. Abhiran Krishnan. I joined Fiji in class 9 in a classroom program, and then I shifted to integrated program to Fiji Keel Park in class 11 for the Pinnacle 2-year program. And then I got to know about Fiji from one of my old school friends who was also enrolled in one of the classroom programs. And then with the help of all the Fiji faculties and the Fiji management, I was able to clear IOQM, PRMO, and then KVPY SX stream, and then JEE mains and JEE advanced. So I chose Fiji because mainly because of three reasons. The first one being obvious reason, to gain a lot of knowledge, sufficient knowledge to clear JEE advanced. The second one being to develop the very spirit of competitive spirit, which is very important for JEE advanced. And then the third one being to produce consistency in my results. So Fiji has provided a lot of examinations and then tests. The tab system has also helped us improve by providing us a lot of questions in the online mode. Fiji has also conducted a test in the CBT mode, which helped us to experience the advanced exam prior to the advanced a week before. The teaching and the support provided with the Fiji faculties were excellent. I also preferred online mode, as few doubts which I was reluctant to ask in the offline class were cleared automatically in the online class. A lot of students we get to mingle with also ask the common doubts in the group, which enables us to understand the concepts better and in a faster way. Fiji conducts a lot of chapter specific tests and full tests, which allows us to identify our weak areas and our strong areas, which are very important for advanced exam. The faculties did a wonderful job by ensuring that all of us understood the concept better, and also the questions which were asked in JEE, a question paper very similar to it was also conducted for the same marks as well as the same marking scheme. So what I would recommend for my juniors is that stay calm before JEE Advanced, work hard till JEE Advanced. You need to put together all your hard work on the day of JEE Advanced. So the most important thing for that would be your mind being active, very active during the exam. So I would like to end it up by thanking all the Fiji faculties, the Fiji management, my parents, my friends, and of course God. Thank you.